In this video, we are going to receive a goods in on the Stok app against an existing purchase order. So we're in the back office here and we've got our list of purchase orders, and we can see, for example, purchase order number 2 has been part received. When we look at the purchase order, we can see the items we're expecting in the quantities. We can see that there's already been a delivery, but there's a new delivery that's arrived. So we'll jump into the Stok app and have a look at how we receive goods. So now we're in the Stok app. We're going to scroll down to goods receipts, and we are going to receive goods in against a purchase order. Now we could add in our own reference here if we wanted to add in like the delivery note or what have you. And here's the list of all purchase orders. You can search through the purchase orders, either the purchase order number or your own reference. In this case, let's just select purchase order number 2. If we are using preferred storage locations rather than bin locations, we're just going to assign the delivery to default. If you're using bin locations, there is a separate video on receiving goods in for bin locations. But for customers using preferred storage locations, we assign the goods in against default. Now, we could have a look at the expected items. We could click in and have a look at any item, image, SKU barcode, name, tags, weight, dimensions, what have you. And now we're just going to start scanning in items as we pick them out of the pallet. As we receive an item and scan it in, we get the visual cues and the audio cue of success. We can scan the item multiple times. We could increase the number to say 20. We can decrease that back down. If there were any blemished items, we'll click on the little flag exclamation icon, and we could add in a blemish quantity. I can add in extra items. We can search and find items perhaps that don't have barcodes. So again, so we're going to find an item, search. The top right icon of the magnifying glass is the search icon. And now say we could put in an SKU. We've added in NIK 11. Again, if we wanted to, we could just have a look at that item, make sure it was the correct item. We could add in large numbers, etc. When we have completed the goods receipt, we're going to create that. We'll complete it, and now we'll go back to the dashboard, and let's jump back into the back office and have a look at how that has updated both the purchase order and the goods receipt. So we are in the back office. Let's just update purchase orders. And now we can see the goods receipt that we've just created. Let's open that up in a new link. We can see what we've received in the quantity we've received it. If we wanted to do a quick stock transfer, we could do a quick stock transfer to a different location. That would create an open stock transfer or add it to an existing stock transfer. This is the purchase order that this goods receipt is linked to. We can click back to that. and we've got all the information joined up in the back office. So that's receiving goods receipt on the Stok app against an existing purchase order.